Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Delicious Recipes from Olga. Today we're going to make donuts. This recipe is very simple. You will need a small amount of products. Okay, let's get started. You will need warm butter and warm milk, vanilla extract, room temperature eggs, 2 eggs, sugar, little bit of salt, yeast and flour. Take a big bowl and mix liquid ingredients first. Add flour. Mix it around 10 minutes. Look at this dough, nice, soft and warm dough. Take a plastic wrap and leave the dough for 1 hour. Or you can use a multi-cooker. Look at the dough, it's ready. Now let's make our donuts. Roll out your dough of this thickness. Now let's form our donuts. Cover your donuts with a towel and leave to rise again of room temperature for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's cook them. Cook them on a small temperature. Turn them on the other side. Our donuts are ready. Let them cool down and decorate them. Now let's decorate our donuts. We will need white chocolate, milk chocolate and black one, and cream. The cream should be hot. Also we need some sprinkles and food color if you want to. The hot cream pour into the chocolate. Okay, let's try them.
Hi everyone, I'm Dima, Olga's husband, and now I'm gonna try these donuts. Okay, I will pick this one. Okay, let's try.
Yummy, yummy.
It's so yummy. You know, it's like fluffy, a lot of chocolate. This is what I like. Yeah, the only thing I need is hot coffee with it. Wow, it's delicious.
Very, very nice.
I always
I love them.
It's the most delicious donut I ever tried in my life. Very fluffy. Delicious. Okay, subscribe to our channel and try these donuts. Try this recipe. It's very, very delicious. Thanks.
Okay, bye bye.